Welcome to Skytech Systems India Private Limited.
We represent top-of-the-line manufacturers in our portfolio, including Thermo Fisher Scientific for FlashSmart CHNSO Organic Elemental Analyzer. This is how the FlashSmart CHNS Analyzer looks like, which can analyze carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen, sulfur and oxygen from 100 ppm to 100%. For CHNS analysis, we use a single resistive furnace with a solid autosampler and tin capsule for sample introduction. The gases used are helium as carrier gas and oxygen as combustion gas. Once we start the analysis, the sample drops from the solid autosampler into the furnace, which heats at 950 degrees. When the sample falls, oxygen comes inside for few seconds, creating a flash or an exothermic reaction at 1800 degrees. The sample is combusted entirely and moves to the copper oxide where oxidation happens. After oxides are formed, it goes to the electrolytic copper where the excessive oxygen is trapped and reduction happens. After reduction, the sample moves to the GC column where the elements are separated based on affinity. After separation of gases in the GC column, it goes to the thermal conductivity detector where the peaks of carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen and sulfur are detected. Once the CHNS analysis gets over, the customer can start oxygen analysis in separate furnace by pyrolysis technique. Here, we use silver containers for oxygen analysis. Once the sample is loaded in the silver container, the sample falls in the furnace heated at 1060 degrees. The sample then goes to the nickel plated carbon where carbon monoxide, N2 and other gases are formed. It then goes to the quartz turning where the other gases are trapped. The sample then goes to the adsorber filter where the moisture is trapped. After trapping of moisture, it goes to the GC column where the gases are separated. After separation of gases, the TCD detects the oxygen levels in the sample. This is the principle behind working of CHNSO analysis. This clip talks regarding the use of MVC module, where you can change over from CHNS to oxygen by just a click on software, and also change from helium to either argon or nitrogen by clicking on carrier gas channel change. Features and benefits of FlashSmart CHNSO: single furnace, capable of measuring CHNS without any extra modules. More than 20 configurations possible in single instrument. All types of sample matrix, solid, viscous, liquid and gases can be analyzed in our instrument. TCD detection technique, most efficient and sensitive technique in market. We are the only manufacturer to give 15-year warranty on furnace and TCD. Latest compliance to ASTM D5291 for nitrogen in lubricants. Nitrogen protein analyzer, an alternative for Geldal method. More analysis in less time with less cost. Multi-wall control module for controlling two autosamplers and switching of helium to either argon or nitrogen through software. TOC option available along with CHNS. Trace level sulfur analysis can be done using flame photometric detector for less than 100 ppm. Completely dedicated Eager Smart software, easy to use. Our instrument is fully automated and highly productive.
For more information on the instruments, please visit www.skytechindia.com or email us on marketing@skytechindia.com. We are just a call away from you. Call us on 9323 200 808. Follow us on LinkedIn for more updates. Thank you.